How to enable full screen video backgrounds in Wix Studio. So I have in here this blank section. So what we can do is we can just click on this blank section right here and then right click from it. And then from in there you should be able to see these options right here. So if you want, you can apply in here an element design that you want. So since for this one we want to have a full screen video background, we can head over and then click onto this add an element first. So once you have clicked on this, it will open the add elements option, or you can also just click on this plus icon right here in order to open this particular window. For this one, click onto this video option, and then this video will shall be added right here. Now in here, you can head over and then edit it out. You can click onto these three dots right here, and then you can add the overwrite, or you could also place it into a container if you would want. Now in here, you can see the settings for this video. You can change the video on here if you want to change it. Now, since we want to add this to background, you can just resize it into which part. Like, for example, let's attach it to this part of the section. And then once it's been attached from there, you can head over and then just resize it and make this bigger by clicking onto this icon and then making it bigger through that way. If you think that this is actually not full width, you can adjust your section thoroughly through this case. Like, for example, let's click on it again. And then let's adjust this until it reached the overall tenacity of this one. Now, if you want to make your particular section bigger, you can head over and then do that in here as well. You can just click on this right here in order to make this bigger for yourself. So as you can see, I have successfully added this video and it's now on full screen background. So that's how you enable full screen video backgrounds in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.